Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from Walgreens, and today's deal is going to be so quick and so easy, and we are going to get stocked up on some paper products today. So y'all know I've been trying to get stocked up on toilet paper this week. We have been doing paper towels for the past couple weeks. It is time to get our toilet paper, so that is why we are here at Walgreens in the toilet paper section, because we have a really good deal going on right now. So what we're going to be grabbing today is the Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper, the 12 count packages. These are $5 each, and we also got a $1.25 store coupon. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab 4 of these babies, because the limit on coupons at Walgreens as far as paper coupons is a limit of 4. So we're going to grab 4 of these. They are $5 a piece. So that is going to total us up to $20. But you don't have to grab 4. You can just grab 1, or you can grab 2. You can grab however many for the amount of coupons that you have, but the maximum amount is 4. So 4 of these is going to total us up to $20. As you guys know, if you watched my CVS video on Sunday, we got some brand new $2 coupons on paper products. We got $2 off of the Cottonelle, but we also got $2 off of the Scott toilet paper as well. So we're going to be using that $2 coupon, and that is going to bring us down to $3. But Walgreens also has their standard $1.25 off Walgreens coupon that they give us like every other month. Well, this is a month where we got that. So we're going to be using that. I have that loaded digitally to my account. Now, with it being loaded digitally and not in the coupon book, it is a one-time use. If you can get your hands on the paper version, you can scan that again and again, but keep in mind that digital version is going to go away after one use. So what we're going to do is we are going to pick up 4 of them. We're going to use that $1.25 off store coupon. That's going to take off $1.25 off of each package. Then we're going to use 4 of the $2 paper coupons, and that will take off $2 off of each package. After those coupons, we're going to be left to pay just $7 for 4 packages of Scott, making them only $1.75 each. So I'm going to be doing this deal twice. I'm going to be doing it 2 times on 2 different accounts. I'll do 4 in each transaction for a total of 8 packs for just $1.75 each. You can work these into a bigger deal if you want to. So if you want to add them in with your spin booster to get them down cheaper, you can definitely do that. But I'm just going to grab them as is with these coupons. So here is a close-up of my receipt for this deal. I've already done it once to make sure that it worked successfully. I had no issues. With this deal, you want to make sure that your cashier scans each package of Scott individually. So they don't need to just scan one and enter in a quantity of 4, because that will make your coupons beep, because it will only recognize 1. So you want to make sure they take the time to scan each package of Scott, and then they want to scan each coupon for $2 off, and that $1.25 will deduct $5 automatically. So you'll be left to pay just $7. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash to pay, and then I paid the $2 plus tax out of pocket. So just $2 plus tax out of pocket for these 4 packages of Scott. And something else I hadn't even factored into this deal is this fetch promo that's going on for spend 15, get 750 points, which is 75 cents back as well. When you pick up 4 of these, like I have, you will get back that 75 cents. And I also got back an additional 200 points, a total of 950 points, which is 95 cents each time I did this deal in 4. So I did it once on my Fetch account, and then I also submitted on my husband's Fetch account. So that made each one of these deals actually cost only $6.05 for 4 packs of toilet paper, making them only like $1.51 each. $1.50 is great, definite stock up price for Scott. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching. I hope this deal is helpful to you all. Please remember to give me a big thumbs up if it is, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.